amazing multinational companies are hiring for amazing profiles. So guys, if you will be working with multinational companies, you will be getting a good exposure, of course. So every day I'm coming up with the new videos where I'm sharing the current job opportunities which are available in the market, and I'm trying to share the maximum profiles with you. I'm trying to share the profiles which are actually genuine and which are actually available in the market and which can actually help you out. So hey guys, this is Sheetal and I welcome you all on my channel Sheetal Rudraksh, and in today's video I am going to share the opportunity with two multinational companies. And as you must have gone through the thumbnail, you must have seen the company's name. So we will discuss about the profiles also, but before that I just want to tell you about the companies. So first company which is hiring, the company name is Mercer. So Mercer is one of the multinational company, and the company deals into the consulting. Company has the presence in 43 countries and 180 cities. So it's a big company guys, and it has been working since 1945. So Mercer is hiring for freshers also. So if you're a fresher, you have the opportunity to join Mercer. You have the opportunity to apply for the Mercer's profile. So let's move forward and let's see the profile, what kind of profile is available, so that you will get the knowledge about the profile and it will be easy for you to apply. So the profile which is available for the Mercer is software engineer, and if you'll see the job responsibilities, you should have theoretical understanding of support terminology and incident and service request, theoretical understanding of ticket management tool, theoretical understanding of software development life cycle methodology, good analytical communication, email etiquette skills. So email etiquette skills will also be required here. So that means your written English skills should be good, and you should be available for the meeting, on-call support, off-hours support also. So that means if the requirement is there, in that case you should be available on your weekends or maybe after your working hours. And if we will talk about the eligibility criteria, they have mentioned that you must have completed development project during your graduation or post-graduation. So that means the freshers can also apply, but you must have handled the project during your internship. You should have good understanding of OOPS, and if you have any exposure or any work experience, that will be an advantage. Education criteria if we will talk about, so BE, BTech, MCA and BSc candidates can apply here. If you pass out from any batch, you can apply here. There is no foundation about it. Also, I would like to show you the salary package. So you can see here, so the salary package is up to 6 lakhs. So that means up to 50,000 you can earn every month. So that is a very good salary package they are paying. So guys, if you are eligible for this profile, please do apply for the position. I'll be discussing the application process further. But before that, I just want to tell you about the second profile. So second profile is with Sopra Steria. Sopra Steria is one of the European tech leader, and it has presence into 30 countries. And if you will talk about the manpower strength, that means the people who are working there, it's around 47,000. So it is also one of the biggest companies. So if you will get the opportunity, it can also give you a kickstart in your career. So the first profile is for full stack developer, Node Angular, and this is available for the Bangalore location. It has just updated 2 days back, so this is a very new profile. And the mandatory thing which they required here, good experience with Node.js and have worked onto it, good experience with Angular 8+, good design skills and can be a technical design, having worked with the DB with MongoDB or MySQL, good communication skills are required here. So if you have these skills, you can definitely apply for this profile, and you should have experience with Node.js. They have not mentioned about it that how many years of experience they are looking for. So if you are good with this, if you are good with the skills, you can definitely apply here. The another profile is for the Python developer, and this is available for the Noida location. This is also a recent profile, and here if we will talk about the primary skills, so you should have experience in designing, implementing and testing of Python application with complete understanding of object-oriented programming, STL, Boost, multi-tier architecture, parallel, threaded programming. You should have working experience on creating database, data comparison, intensive application will be preferred. So you should have good knowledge of REST APIs also. And if you have experience into HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL programming, so this will be an advantage for you. So here also, if you pass out from any batch, any year, you can apply here. So let's talk about the application process. So I'm giving you 3 links in the description box, 1 for Mercer, 2 for Sopra Steria. So for Mercer, you will open the link, you will click on the apply button and directly you will be able to apply. For Soapy Asteria, you will click on the link, then you will see the complete job description. If you want, you can go through the job description once again and you can click on apply for this job. Here, if you are already registered, you need to share your email ID and password, otherwise you need to click on new user and then you will have to accept the policy. You can go through the agreement policy and then you can accept the policy, and then you will have to register yourself first and then you can directly apply here. So before winding up the video, I have a request, guys. So if you are finding the video suitable, if you are finding the content suitable, I would request you to please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed the channel yet or you are a new user on the channel, please do subscribe the channel because every day I'll be giving you amazing updates here. So I'll see you soon with a new and informative video. I am Sheetal signing off for today. Till then, take care and keep supporting me.